How to hide what game you are playing on Discord mobile. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide what game you are playing on your Discord mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So what you have to first do is open up a web browser and type here Discord. Now you have to turn on desktop mode. So if you are on Chrome, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, then here select desktop side. Now zoom in and open the desktop.com. Now here again zoom in and in the top right you will see login. Tap on it. Now here enter your email or phone number and password and tap on login. So after you have logged in, zoom in and scroll down and go to user settings here. Now in the user settings, go to activity privacy in the activity settings, and now here on the top you will see the display current activity as a status message. So you have to turn this off, and that's how you can hide what game you are playing on Discord mobile. Thanks for watching.